Table Mountain National Park says preliminary findings suggest a fire in Tokai may have been deliberately started. A firefighter has been hospitalised and nearly 200 households, including frail care patients, were evacuated due to the blaze. This report from Newzroom Afrika's Nasiphi.
Firefighters spent a third day battling a blaze on the slopes of mountains in Tokai, on the outskirts of Cape Town. The fire damaged 3 hectares of ecological land and led to several road closures. Thick smoke continued to affect nearby areas.
So that was started on the evening of Friday, the 25th of April. And those fires started burning at night time, and on Saturday we managed to contain all of them. But then on Sunday morning is when the wind changed direction and also got much stronger. It's still under investigation. We did do a preliminary investigation on Friday and Saturday morning, and what we think is that these 3 fires were deliberately lit with malicious intent, and that's what the signs are showing. But of course we will wait until the fires have really died down to investigate and conclude the investigation.
This isn't the first incident of its kind in the region. The city of Cape Town in February called for a forensic investigation after another case of suspected arson in Newlands.
There is no way, as far as I can ascertain, that there is a self-start of 3 fires in exactly the same area at night. It's been dire. It's literally been Armageddon over the last 24 hours. The resources that it's taken, the injuries to wildlife, the evacuations. If anybody's going to be setting the mountain alight, they need to be held criminally liable.
Popular hiking routes like Silvermine Trail were closed off to the public.
4 vehicles were damaged up at Silvermine parking area, parking gate 2, I think, and 2 motorcycles. But no damage to houses as of this stage. Can't confirm whether or not there may not be further evacuations today. Just before we spoke, I've looked up to the mountain now. We're in the heart of the operations centre, as you know, and I can see that the smoke is really bad and the flames are higher than they ever were before.
Residents have stepped up, donating food and other supplies to firefighters.
Formed together a group called the Changemakers, and as parents we're just leading them in helping their community in whatever needs that they see fit. And with the fire that started yesterday, we saw what the mountains looked like. The boys just grabbed together and said, what can we do to help? And so we quickly just assembled and we gathered some things and we popped through this morning to come and bring out, and also just off our time making sandwiches, packing parcels.
No private property have so far been affected by the blaze. Aerial and ground support teams remain in the area, working around the clock to contain any flare-ups and prevent any further spread of the fire. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi in Tokai.